Hey guys, we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can clear the cache in our browser or Google Chrome browser in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, let us open first our Google Chrome browser. And once this Google Chrome browser is already open, all you need to do is just to go to the upper right corner. You will see the three dot icon there. Please click on that, and if you click on that, you will see these options here. So please scroll down and you will see at the very bottom part the settings option. So please click on settings, and then in the left pane you will see there the privacy and security option. So please click on that, and then here we have the safety check section, privacy and security section. And here in the privacy and security section, you will see the first option that says delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. So please click on that, and then once you do that, you will be able to see this kind of window here. So you can also go to basic, but I recommend that you will go to the advanced that you go to the advanced section. So please please click the advanced section there, and then you will see the time range. So to choose for the options of the time range, just select this drop down button here, and then once you do that, you can now select for last hour, last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. So I will just click or select all time. And then here below the time range, you will be having options to select so that the options that you have selected will be deleted from your browser. So if, for example, if you delete the browsing history, just click or just select it. Download history, the cookies, and other site data. So go over the options here and please check or select the items that you want to be deleted from your device. And then once you have already selected or checked it, then just please click this delete data button here, and then it will be deleted from your device. And once you do that, you will be clearing the cache in Google Chrome. Okay, so once you do that, close the Google Chrome, open it again, and then it will be done. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.